Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a 32-year-old mother that has been arrested. And the article says a 32-year-old mother has been arrested and charged with the child endangerment after leaving her 4-month-old baby boy alone in a car while at the daybreak party at Sabina Park in Kingston earlier today. The mother, who has been identified as Joelle Clayton of Sandhurst Crest, St. Andrew, was arrested after a passerby noticed a crying baby outside the party venue and summoned the police. The police reportedly tried unsuccessfully to locate the parents through a public announcement at the party. They then broke a window of the car and rescued the baby. He was taken to a hospital for medical examination and the vehicle later towed away by the police. The police said the mother was eventually located inside the party venue and was immediately arrested and later charged. She was subsequently offered bail and is expected to appear before the family court on Tuesday, January 8, 2019. And from what I've seen online with Miss Clayton is that she has 2 kids. She has 2 boys. And she left a 4-month-old in a car to go party. Wow. I didn't know partying was that important. And honestly, I feel like she should have spent Christmas in jail. Why would you leave a 4-month-old outside in a car to go party? Couldn't you left the child with a family member, with his father, hired somebody, paid them, if that party was that important? The baby could have died. But comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think they should have granted her bail? Do you think she deserved to be out on bail? And what do you think will happen to this case? Because she not only put her life in danger, she put a child's life in danger. Like the baby is 4 months old. Comment what your thoughts are, and also tell me, when is the perfect time to go out after you have a child? Tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section. I would love to know. What is the date or the time period do you think it's okay for a mom that just had a child to go out and party? Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
All them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.